Time, such a very useful thing. Only time is a thing that never waits for someone. It's going and going and going. Manage time is also very important for everyone. Whether someone is a student, housewife, businessman, artist, doctor, whatever, time plays a very important role in everyone's life. After listening this 3-minute beautiful story, you will realize the value of a second, and you will never ever waste your time if you will understand the depth of the story. You will manage your time accordingly. So, let's start this beautiful story. Okay, just imagine there is a bank that credits your account each morning with 86,400 rupees. It carries over no balance from day to day. Every evening, the bank deletes whatever part of the balance you failed to use during the day. What would you do? Draw all money. Of course, each of us has such a bank. Its name is time. Every morning, it credits you with 86,400 seconds. Every night, it writes off as lost. Whatever of this you have failed to invest to good purpose. It carries over no balance. It allows no overdraft. Each day it opens a new account for you. Each night it burns the remains of the day. If you fail to use the day's deposits, the loss is yours. There is no going back. There is no drawing against the tomorrow. You must live in the present on today's deposits. Invest it so as to get from it the utmost in health, happiness, and success. The clock is running. Make the most of today. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who failed a grade. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who gave birth to a premature baby. To realize the value of 1 week, ask the editor of a weekly newspaper. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask the lovers who are waiting to meet. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who missed the train. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who just avoided an accident. Reassure every moment that you have, and reassure it more because you shared it with someone special, special enough to spend your time. Remember that time waits for no one. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, but today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. So don't waste your time. Start your work now on. Squeeze every single drop of opportunities. Just beat it. Just feel the success. Taste the success. Until then, work hard and hard and hard. One day you will definitely fly high. Keep learning and keep growing.